Welcome back to our Russian language journey. This is lesson number 3. If you followed along this lesson 1 and 2, you can read some words and some Russian Cyrillic letters. Get ready to explore more other letters with clear explanation, practical examples. Subscribe for more full lessons, dialogues, and everyday Russian. Follow me on TikTok for daily tips. Don't forget to grab your notes, stay focused and pause the you need. So in Russian, how are you? You have to ask как, it means how, дела, how, как, дела, affairs or something to do. Did you notice the letter L in Cyrillic is written like P, Russian P, and English R, but is more softer. And the left side, there is that softer part. This sound is more hard respect in English. L, L. Push your tongue against the upper teeth. L. Как дела? Как дела? I hope you are fine. Хорошо. Хорошо. So, if you remember, the O is the accent and the other O became A. Can you see the H? The X is H. Pronounce H, H, and stronger, like in home, but in Russian we say H. Sh pronounce is in English sh, and very stronger, like sh, shop, for example, shop. Sh. Как дела? Хорошо. How are you? Fine. Everything is good. How are you? Fine. Хорошо. Как дела? Плохо. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. The second O became A because the accent is on the first. Как дела? How are you? Плохо. Bad. Why? Как плохо? Why is bad? Why? Да, плохо. In your business is not so bad, you can say not bad, неплохо, not so bad. Not bad. Неплохо. Неплохо. Привет. Как дела? Неплохо. Спасибо. Спасибо. Thank you. This is one of the most way to express gratitude in Russian. And here you can see the penultimate letter B. Спасибо. The letter B in reality is the second letter of the Russian alphabet and pronounce it like English B. Also we can say спасибо большое. Спасибо большое. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Here you can see sound letter L, hard, soft sign. It makes soften the precedent consonant L, became L. In this word большое, the letter L is softer, not большое, but became большое. So let's try. L became L. B became B. T became T. N became N. Do you hear? L, B, T, Н. Спасибо большое. Здорово. 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 Great. Здорово. Great. Привет. Как дела? Здорово. Хорошо. The new letter for you, G, look like a hook, has a sound similar to English J, G, like in go, G. This letter will help you to find you где. Где? Where? Где? Где? Not need the verb to be. Где я? Где я? Where I am. So you see, we don't use the verb to be. Where are you? Где ты? There are you. Где она? Where is she? Inanimate or animate. In Russian language, as in English, the noun is animate, people and animals. And inanimate without a soul, without the life. Use the question who is it, кто это, for the people and the animals. And who is it? And inanimate, что это? What is it? Do you remember the letter as a number 3? And now you can see the letter as a number 4. Number 4, and has the sound ch, 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 like chair or chart. Час, hour. Человек, person. Час, hour, человек, person. Что это? When you hear ch and t together, you have to pronounce sh to don't sound like что, but что это? What is it? Что это? At least the letter ch is English ch, chair. But in the middle of the word is remain cht, for example, почта. Почта, the post office. Что это? Что это? Это почта. Что это? What is it? Это почта. It is a post office. So the post office. Consonant sh will heard or sound like a sh like a sh soft shot. S ch together is shot, the bill. And so today we are improved our Russian lesson with the words где, where I am, animate and inanimate, noun, like who is it, кто это, what is it, что это. We understood that she with a T in the beginning of the word will read or her like sh. And the letter sch together became sh. Sh. Not like счет, but short. And so, leave a comment. For today we are okay. We improved our Russian alphabet. Please write your name in the comment, probably in Russian. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.